If you've been learning spoken Arabic, you've probably heard one tiny word over and over again, fi. Most learners think it only means there is, but native speakers use fi in many different ways every single day. It can mean there is, there isn't, I have, can. What's wrong? Where can I find? Once you understand these 6 uses, you will suddenly recognize fi everywhere in everyday conversations. Let's begin. There is. The most common meaning of fi is simply there is or there are. We use it to say that something exists or is available. Fi supermarket. Hon. There is a supermarket here. To make it negative, we simply add ma before fi. Ma fi. ما في there isn't, there aren't. ما في خبز, there isn't any bread. Spoken Arabic doesn't usually use a verb like have. Instead, native speakers say في عندي. Literally, there is with me, but in English it simply means I have. في عندي سيارة, I have a car. When fi comes before a pronoun, it often expresses ability. For example, fini, I can. Fik, you can. Fina, we can. For example, fini sa'adak, can I help you? One of the most common questions in spoken Arabic is shufi. Literally, what is there? But native speakers almost always use it to mean what's wrong. Shufi. To ask where something is available, native speakers say Wain fi. It literally means where is there, but the natural English translation is where can I find? Wain fi bank. Where can I find a bank? So the easy rule is fi, there is, ما في, there isn't, في عندي, I have, فيني, فيك, فينا, can, شو في, what's wrong, وين في, where can I find, شو في, what's wrong, ليش متأخر, ما في مواقف, there isn't any parking, ما في. طيب فيك تجي بكرة؟ كان فيك تجي بكرة؟ إيه فيني. Great job. Now you know that fi is much more than just there is. Native speakers use it to talk about existence, possession, ability, problems, and finding places. Once you master these 6 uses, you will start hearing fi everywhere in spoken Arabic.